model, 2014 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-125 PS 350 Luton box van tail lift needs turbo replacing. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 154594. MOT, the 18th of May 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The turbo will need replacing. Everything else is good. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.